friends, audience, and my dear sir, Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. I hope all are well. I'm also well. This is Moment. I'm really pleased to come here in this beautiful morning. Actually, I'm not in the habit of speaking in public place. I'm really sorry for my ignorance. Anyway, I'll try my best to say something about today's topics. Today's topic is the pie chart. The given pie chart provides information spent in different sector of UA in 2000. Generally, in 2000, total budget of UA government was AED 315 billion, which they spent 10 different sectors, and sectors were law and order, transport sector, social security sector, and educational sector, etc. It is seen from the pie chart. The total budget of 1/3 was spent on social security, which and it highest amount for any particular sector. Then the second highest amount was spent on health and personal social service sector, which amount was half of the social security sector. After, the third highest amount was spent on educational sector, which amount 38 billion. Next, almost same amount was spent defense, other expenditure, debt interest, which amount was between AED 22 and 23 billion. After that, Arab Emirat Dirham 13 billion, 15 billion, 17 billion was spent on industry, agriculture, employment, housing, heritage and environment, law and order. Finally, the least amount was spent in transport sector, which amount 9 billion. We can see from the pie chart, the highest amount was spent social security and the least amount was spent on transport sector. That's all for today. Thank you very much. Truly speaking, my brothers and sisters, this was a nice moment with you. Allah Hafiz.